Are you looking for mini woodworking project ideas which you can accomplish on a low budget in a short period of time? You've come to the right place. Woodworking is a timeless craft that has evolved over centuries, offering enthusiasts a chance to create functional and artistic pieces from raw materials. Among the various forms of woodworking, many projects have gained popularity for their accessibility and the unique benefits they provide. In this video, while you look at our today's selection of woodworking project ideas, we will tell you the advantages of working on many woodworking projects, including skill development, creativity, stress relief, and community building. Many woodworking projects are an excellent entry point for beginners. They require less material, tools, and time compared to large projects, making them less intimidating. Beginners can learn essential skills without the overwhelming commitment often associated with large builds. Hello reviewers, welcome back to our channel. Today we will show you another collection of creative mini woodworking project ideas you can build in your next project. So watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us to grow our channel and give you more content in return. Starting with mini projects allows novices to experiment without a significant financial investment. The materials needed for these projects, such as small pieces of wood, glue, and basic hand tools, are relatively inexpensive. This accessibility encourages more people to exploring woodworking. Many projects require less workspace, making them suitable for those with limited tools. Whether you have a small apartment, a garage, or just a balcony, you can easily find space to work on many woodworking projects. This adaptability helps foster creativity in urban environments, where space is a limiting factor. Engaging in mini woodworking projects also allows individuals to develop fundamental skills such as measuring, cutting, sanding, and assembling. These essential techniques are transferable to large projects, laying a solid foundation for furniture woodworking endeavors. Many projects often require precision and attention to detail, which are crucial skills in woodworking. Working on smaller pieces demands careful measurement and cutting, helping woodworkers develop a keen eye for details, and this skill translates to improved quality in all future woodworking projects. Many woodworking projects provide an opportunity to become familiar with various tools. Beginners can learn to use hand tools like chisels, saws, and sanders without the complexity of large projects. This hands-on experience builds confidence and proficiency, making it easier to tackle more complicated projects later on. Woodworking inherently involves problem solving. Many projects often present unique challenges, such as fitting pieces together or achieving the desired finish. Navigating these challenges enhances critical thinking and adaptability, skills that are valuable both in and out of the workshop. Many woodworking projects offer a canvas for creativity. From simple birdhouses to intricate jewelry boxes, the design possibilities are endless. Woodworkers can experiment with shapes, finishes, and combinations of materials, allowing for personalized expression and artistic exploration. One of the ability or the joy of woodworking is the ability to customize projects. Many projects can be tailored to fit personal styles, making them unique gifts or home decor items. This customization fosters a sense of ownership and pride in the finished product. Working with wood provides a direct connection to nature. The natural beauty of wood grains and texture often inspires creativity. Many projects can highlight these characteristics, allowing woodworkers to incorporate organic forms and designs into their work. Engaging in woodworking requires concentration and mindfulness, providing a welcome escape from daily stressors. The process of shaping wood and creating something tangible can be meditative, promoting a sense of calm and focus. This mindfulness is beneficial for mental health and can reduce anxiety levels. Completing a mini woodworking project provides a tangible sense of accomplishment. The satisfaction of transforming raw materials into a finished piece can boost self-esteem and foster a sense of pride. This feeling of achievement can positively impact overall being. Woodworking has a therapeutic effect similar to those found in art therapy. The act of creating can provide an emotional outlet, allowing individuals to express feelings and thoughts through their work. This creative process can be particularly beneficial for those dealing with stress or emotional challenges. Woodworking communities, whether online or in person, offer opportunities for social interaction. Engaging in mini projects can lead to connections with fellow enthusiasts, fostering friendship and support networks. Sharing projects and experiences cultivates a sense of belonging. Participating in woodworking groups or workshops allows individuals to learn from experienced craftsmen, sharing techniques, tips, and tricks, enhancing skill development, and promote a collective spirit. And this exchange of knowledge can inspire creativity and innovation. As individuals gain experience, they can share their skill with others. Teaching mini woodworking projects to friends or family members not only reinforces one's own knowledge, but also contributes to building a community of woodworkers. Mentorship fosters connection and growth within the craft. Many woodworking projects often result in functional items that can be used in everyday life. From coasters and picture frames to small storage solutions, these projects provide particular practical benefits. Creating functional objects add value to the woodworking projects. Mini woodworking projects make thoughtful handcrafted gifts, whether for holidays, birthdays, or special occasions. Personalized wooden items carry sentimental value. The effort put into creating a unique gift communicates care and thoughtfulness, making it more meaningful. When it comes to home decor, many woodworking projects enhance home decor. Small shelves, wall art, and decorative boxes add character and warmth to living spaces. These projects allow individuals to create a personalized environment that reflects their style and personality. Engaging in woodworking can foster awareness of sustainable practices, and many woodworkers prioritize using reclaimed or sustainably sourced materials, promoting eco-friendly approaches to crafting. This consciousness encourages a greater appreciation for natural resources. Working with wood heightens awareness of the natural world. Understanding the properties of different woods and their environment's impacts foster a deeper connection to nature. This relationship can inspire individuals to consider the ecological footprints of their projects. Many woodworking projects often utilize local materials, supporting local economies and reducing transport emissions. Choosing to work with regional woods encourages sustainable forestry practices and fosters a sense of community within the craft. In conclusion, working on many woodworking projects offers a multitude of benefits that extend beyond the craft itself. From skill development and creativity to stress relief and community building, these projects provide a rich and fulfilling experience. Whether you are a beginner exploring the world of woodworking or an experienced craftsman looking for new challenges, many projects serve as a valuable avenue for personal growth and expression. As you embark on your woodworking journey, consider many possibilities that mini projects present. Embrace the joy of creating, the satisfaction of learning, and the connections forged through shared experiences. Ultimately, the benefits of woodworking or mini woodworking projects enrich your life, offering a rewarding outlet for creativity and mindfulness. With each project, you contribute to a legacy of craftsmanship and creativity that spans generations, making woodworking a timeless and cherished pursuit. Well, dear viewers, there you have them, our hand-picked creative mini woodworking project ideas for your next build. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to make these contents. Finally, thank you for watching until then. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.